Today I'm preparing my bag. So this is the quilt that I'm gonna use. This is my slip mat that I'm gonna fold a little bit differently. This is my rain jacket, warm jacket, pajamas, and here it's my sandals. Here are two different t-shirts to be able to change and maybe decide if I take one or the other. This is gonna be on me, so one t-shirt, hat, shorts, and I'm gonna be wearing socks, pair of socks and a bra. Here are like some stuff to get a little bit clean. Here is the pharmacy with the regular stuff, electronics, and I'm gonna have as well a camera and my USB-C cable. This is to go to the toilets. This is the regular things that I need, like lenses, toothbrush, toothpaste. This is just in case for ankle and knees. This is for muscles. These are socks, so one pair is going to be on me and one other is going to be for night, and the other is going to be like just in case, because in Yosemite we're going to probably go across lots of streams, so it's going to be wet a lot, I guess. So pants, a little towel in case, and here is the food. I mean, part of the food with my food bag, so it's gonna be way more food when we're gonna make do some grocery shopping in San Francisco. That's part of it. So yeah, there it is, and I need to put everything in this little bag here, which is not that little. It's the Mariposa 60 liters with lots of pockets and a big pocket here, and yeah, very comfortable backpack. So yeah, let's put everything in there.